Welcome, Soursop Secrets, unveiling the miraculous health benefits of this tropical superfruit. Join our Wellness Warrior community at wellnesswarriorshoot.com, where we encourage and inspire one another to be the greatest versions of ourselves. We encourage participation, so feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and tell us about your own wellness journey. Today, we're going to explore the miraculous health benefits of a tropical superfruit that's been creating quite a buzz in the health and wellness community, the soursop. Also known as graviola, this fruit hails from the Annona moricata tree, native to the tropical regions of the Americas and the Caribbean. But what makes it so special? Let's dive in. First off, the soursop is a feast for the senses. It's large, often weighing between 2 to 5 kilograms, with green, spiky skin. Inside, you'll find a soft, creamy white pulp with a custard-like texture. The taste? A unique blend of sweet and sour, often compared to a mix of strawberry and pineapple with a hint of coconut or banana. But the real magic of soursop lies in its nutritional profile. It's packed with vitamin C and B, as well as minerals like potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Plus, it's a good source of dietary fiber. These nutrients make soursop beneficial for boosting the immune system, improving digestion, and maintaining heart health. But the soursop secrets don't stop there. Recent scientific studies have been exploring its potential health benefits, and the results are truly fascinating. Some laboratory studies have found that extracts from the soursop fruit, leaves, or seeds can kill certain types of liver and breast cancer cells that are resistant to certain chemotherapy drugs. Now, it's important to note that these studies are preliminary and have been conducted in test tubes or animals. As of now, there is not enough scientific evidence to show that soursop can treat or cure cancer in humans. But the potential is there, and more research is being conducted to explore this further. Soursop leaves, in particular, have been the subject of much scientific interest. They contain a variety of active compounds, including alkaloids, terpenoids, flavonoids, tannins, saponins, and acidogenins. These compounds have been used in both traditional and modern medicine for their potential health benefits. For example, some studies have suggested that extracts from soursop leaves may have antimicrobial, antiviral, and even anti-diabetic properties. Now, while soursop is a nutritious fruit, it's important to consume it in moderation. The fruit contains a small amount of inonosin, a compound that has been linked to neurological disorders when consumed in large amounts. Also, the seeds of the fruit are toxic and should not be consumed. So, how can you enjoy this tropical superfruit? Soursop is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it raw, or use the pulp in juices, smoothies, ice creams, and desserts. In some cultures, it's even used in cooking. And there you have it, folks. The soursop, a tropical superfruit with a unique taste, a wealth of nutrients, and potential health benefits that are still being explored. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is variety and balance. So, why not add a bit of tropical flair to your diet with the soursop? That's all for today's episode of Nature's Bounty, unveiling the secrets of superfruits. Join us next time as we continue our journey into the world of nature's most nutritious offerings. At Wellness Warriors Hub, we believe in the transformative potential of adopting a holistic wellness perspective. Our channel is devoted to providing you with insightful information, useful advice, and motivational content to optimize your physical, mental, and emotional health. Until then, stay healthy and stay curious. Take care.